Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to disable or turn off the alarm and also hourly signal from this watch, Casio Calculator CA53 or also CA53WF. First, let's take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You will see these two symbols. This one is for the alarm, okay? And this one is for the hourly signal or hourly chime. So in this watch, both the alarm and signal are active. And first we need to move to the alarm mode, and to do that press this button on the right side. 1, 2, okay, this shown AL alarm, and we want to turn off both. So first we need to turn off, you can do whichever first, but this one we will turn off the alarm first. So this one we press the 4 button right here. Let me use my nail, okay. Okay, now the alarm is not active. And then next for the hourly signal, you can press this one, the multiplication symbol or button, and now the hourly signal or hourly chime is not active. And yes, that's all for how to turn off the alarm and also the hourly signal. And if you want to return to the timekeeping mode, just press this button, and now we are back to the timekeeping mode. And as you can see here, there are no more symbol here for the alarm and hourly signal. Okay, thank you for watching and see you again in the next video. Bye.